This is the new blue streak filter from Kase Optics. This magnetically attaches to the back of your iPhone and creates this really cool blue light flare in your photos and videos. If your phone isn't magnetic, this does come with a small metal strip that can stick to the back of your phone, and then the lens filter will magnetize to that metal strip. From my experience using this filter so far, I feel like it works really good in the right conditions, but then at other times it can just make your footage look really bad. Here's a perfect example. Here's without the lens filter, and then here's with the lens filter. You can see how the top of the trees are all faded out now, and the entire image just feels kind of blurry. If you're using this filter with the iPhone 13 Pro, it works really great with the zoom lens and the wide angle lens, but it does not work with the super wide angle lens. So here's what it looks like when I switch to the super wide angle lens. All of a sudden there's these lines all over the image, and it looks really weird. All that to say, it does take a little bit of time to figure out how and when to use it, but once you figure that out, you can get some really cool results. Kase Smartphone Magnetic Square Filter is what this product is called if you're looking for it on their website, and they have a whole bunch of different versions of it too. So I have two different versions of it here. I have the blue streak filter and then a star filter, and this creates like a four-sided star off of any light source that looks like this. Very, very cool as well. If you guys are interested in this particular kind of camera effect, then definitely check this out. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Go check out one of my other videos right here, and I'll see you guys all next time.